This topic is some word problems that involve adding and subtracting mixed numbers. So this first one says Omar used 1/4 gallons of gas on Friday and 4 5/8 gallons of gas on Saturday. How many gallons did he use on the 2 days combined? So in this case, because we're combining the 2 days, that means we're going to add. So I'm taking our 4 5/8 and adding 1/4. Doesn't really matter which fraction I put on the top, because this is addition. The commutative property lets us do it in whatever order we want. I usually put mixed numbers on top and the fractions on the bottom. So common denominator for 4 and 8, I think I'm just going to use 8 because then I don't have to change the first fraction. So I'm going to multiply this one by 2/2. And now I can add 5/8 and 2/8, which is 7/8. 4 plus nothing is 4. So my final answer is 4 7/8 gallons of gas. This one says Kayla is jogging from her house to school. She has gone 1/2 mile so far. Her school is 2 3/4 miles from her house. How many miles does she still have to jog? So our total is 2 3/4. Our part is 1/2. So we need to find out how far apart is the total from the part, which is subtraction. So we're going to start out with 2 3/4. We're going to take away the part that she's already jogged, and that'll leave us with the part that she has left. I'm going to use 4 as a common denominator because then I don't have to change the top fraction. Times 2/2 gives me 2/4. Subtract 3/4 minus 2/4 is 1/4. 2 minus nothing is 2. So my final answer is how many miles does she still have to jog? 2 1/4 miles. This says the amount of snowfall in January was 2 7/8 feet. The amount of snowfall in October was 1/2 foot. How much more snowfall was there in January? We're trying to find how far apart those two numbers are, which is subtraction. So we have 2 7/8 minus 1/2. Subtraction, unlike addition, the order does matter. So you're always going to put the number you're subtracting on the bottom. So in this case, I'm trying to take away 1/2 because I'm trying to find out how far apart these numbers are. Common denominator for 2 and 8, I'm going to use 8, so I don't again have to change the first fraction. So this one's going to be times 4/4. 7/8 minus 4/8 is 3/8. 2 wholes minus nothing is 2 wholes. So my final answer is 2 3/8 feet of snow.